It's 9 p.m. and something breaks. Your local IT guy still follows the old break-fix model. Something breaks, you call him, he fixes it, then sends a bill. Break-fix IT is reactive. You pay when something breaks. Every emergency is a surprise invoice. Every outage costs you billable hours. Flat-rate managed IT is proactive. Continuous monitoring. Regular maintenance. One predictable monthly fee. Break-fix profits when you're down. Flat-rate profits when you stay up. Here's what flat-rate IT delivers. 24/7 support. Unlimited help desk. Experts who know your software. Predictable budgeting. No nickel and diming for after hours. No surprise bills. Proactive security and compliance. IRS and FTC requirements handled automatically. And fewer disruptions. Your team stays focused on client work, not fixing printers or servers. One outage during tax season can cost thousands. Flat-rate IT prevents that. Verito. Complete IT management that just works. Securely. Stop paying for problems. Start preventing them.